Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel 3X, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, we will need a SIM ejector, as I have one right here. It comes provided with the device, so you can get it from the box or use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So from there, let's pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, as you can see right here. So let's just push it in. As you will see, the tray pops out. And once you take it out, you have space for a SIM card and SD card, so place them accordingly. There we go. I believe you can also use the SIM tray or SD tray as a SIM tray. Let me quickly check. Yep, there it is. So it's you can have two SIM cards if you wanted to, instead of a SIM card and SD card. But once you place them, hold them securely on here and slide it back into the device. There we go. Give it a second, and there we go. There's the pin for the SIM card. And there we go. So that is how you'd insert SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.